our private beach, El Bayou. Minutes to our compound. And this is graffiti, and here is El Bayou. One minute and a half with my dog. I've been in El Bayou. This is the main gate, and this is ground floor commercial. You will find all what you need. This is the main gate. El Bayou, the largest villas community in Sahl Hasheesh. And here, this will be the water feature, winery. Here is the villas. This is phase one, almost ready to deliver. All the villas fully finished, turnkey, ACs, kitchen cabinets, dressing rooms, water heaters, swimming pool with switches. All what you need is only your furniture. Here is phase one. All villas are finished from inside, and inshallah it will deliver very soon to the clients. El Bayou will be existing community very soon. We have also resale villas, delivery 6 months. Here it will be the water feature and the landscape. Here is the villas. Footprint 18%. This update construction. You can find workers everywhere, inside the villas and outside. Here is the clubhouse and the L-shaped building. Almost here in phase number 2. Also the construction in phase number 2. Laguna phase. Phase number 2 in El Bayou. You can find workers everywhere. I'm walking here in phase number 2. You can see how is the constructions. El Bayou is the largest villas community. We have villas early delivery and our primary villas 3.5 years delivery. Thank you. I'm Hassan Imam. If you need anything from El Bayou, just contact me.